Hi Year 11, hope you're all well. Just going to be a short video today, going through one more example because I want to give you most of the lesson to do a bit more practice on inverse proportion. So do put a date and a title, pause the video if you need to, and then I'm just going to go through one quick example. Feel free to have a go at this example yourself, and then you have the rest of the lesson to practice. So if y is inversely proportional to x, and y equals 12 when x equals 10, first we're going to ask to find the equation linking x and y. What you need to remember is, as soon as you see that y is inversely proportional to x, you're going to write y equals k over x. And then the next thing you're going to write, if you've been given two values as we have here, is that same rule again, but with those values substituted in. So 12 is going to equal k over 10. And if I solve that equation, times both sides by 10, k equals 120. So therefore y equals 120 over x, or I could but times both sides by x to get xy equals 120 if I preferred. And that's my golden rule now. I'm going to use that rule in any workings out that I need to do. So part B says find y when x equals 15. Well, if x equals 15, we know that y equals 120 over x. So if x equals 15, it equals 120 over 15, or 8. And then part C asks me to find x when y equals 80. So again, I'm going to use my golden rule here, but this time I need to say that 80 equals 120 over x. Slight equation to solve this time. So I'm going to times both sides by x to get it off the bottom. Gives me 80x equals 120. And then divide both sides by 80. Gives me x equals 120 over 80, or 3 over 2, or 1.5. So just a brief example for you there, because we did a couple of examples last lesson. Do crack on with that task now. Make sure you mark your answers as you go. All instructions on the PowerPoint. And any problems or any questions, as ever, do drop me an email. Okay, all the best with that, guys. Have a lovely day, and I'll speak to you later on.